Some partnerships are built over time, others are forged through purpose. For more than 50 years, Anchor Industries and Snyder Manufacturing have worked together, two American companies united by a commitment to quality, innovation, and craftsmanship. From Evansville, Indiana, to Dover, Ohio, this partnership brings together expertise in engineering and leadership in vinyl manufacturing. The result is Aurora, Anchor's signature sailcloth tent, the only tent in our lineup made exclusively with only Snyder fabric, a proprietary product designed and perfected together. Aurora begins with a 14-ounce translucent laminate, lightweight, luminous, and engineered for performance. It glows in the daylight and radiates at night, creating an atmosphere that sets a new standard for event design. At its core is a tightly woven polyester scrim, stronger and more refined than traditional materials. This advanced construction delivers superior strength while maintaining a soft, elegant hand. At Snyder, precision drives every step. Custom PVC compounds are engineered with UV stabilizers, flame retardants, and durability enhancers, then extruded into film and bonded to the scrim through heat and pressure. The result is a high-performance laminate, built to endure and designed to perform. But creating Aurora fabric isn't easy. Its translucency reveals everything, making even the smallest imperfections visible. That's why every roll is carefully inspected, and every detail matters. At Anchor, craftsmanship completes the process. Teams meticulously review and refine each panel, removing imperfections and ensuring every finished tent is flawless. The result is a material that stands apart. Lighter, yet stronger, more translucent, yet more tightly woven, offering superior performance over competing fabrics. From sunlit ceremonies to evenings filled with light, Aurora transforms every space it touches. Two companies, one shared standard, a partnership built on trust, strengthened by innovation, and proven over decades. Anchor and Snyder, American-made, partnered for over 50 years, and still building what's next, together.